Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for marketplace platforms. Whether you are running a multi-vendor marketplace or a digital goods platform, InfinitePay.io can help you manage transactions efficiently. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Navigate to the marketplace or platform sections afterwards. This is where you can manage and process transactions related to your marketplace. To set up payment processing for your marketplace, integrate InfinitePay.io with your marketplace platform. Follow the provided documentation or use the API to connect your platform with InfinitePay.io. Now configure payment options for your vendors and customers. This includes setting up how transactions will be handled, fees and payment distribution methods. Now create and manage payment requests, invoices or payment links for transactions within your marketplace. Ensure that all transactions are processed securely and accurately. Now you can track and manage marketplace transactions through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can monitor payment statuses, handle refunds and view transaction history. Ensure that your marketplace is compliant with any financial regulations and that your payment processes are secure to protect your users. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for marketplace platforms. This integration helps you manage and streamline transactions across your marketplace efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.